Hello and welcome. Today I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use Scrum. In my introductory video, we talked about what Scrum is used for, and who can use Scrum. Today I'll be giving you a breakdown of how to use it. I'm sure you've heard about Scrum and you're not sure how to put it into practice. I'll walk you through the basics of how to use Scrum to manage your projects effectively. Let's get to it. So first things first, you'll need to form your team. It's called the Scrum team. This team typically comprises of 3 fundamental roles. They are very key to the success of Scrum. Number 1 is your product owner. Second is the Scrum Master himself, and the development team. These 3 comprises the major key roles in Scrum. The product owner is responsible for defining the product vision, managing product backlog, and ensuring the team is working on high-value tasks. And then they represent the stakeholders and the customers, making sure that the product delivers the maximum value. Now the next person is the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum processes, removes impediments, and ensures that the team follow the Agile practices. They simply act as a coach sometimes and guide for the team, helping them to improve and stay focused on their goals. Now, the development team is a cross-functional group of professionals who do the work of delivering a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. I'll come back to what sprint is. So they are self-organizing with members typically including developers, designers, testers, analysts, and other roles needed for the tasks to be completed or needed to complete the work. In short, product owner manages the product backlog. The Scrum Master facilitates the process, and the development team works on delivering the product incrementally or on a consistent basis. The second thing to do here when you are developing your team is to create and prioritize the product backlog. The product backlog is a prioritized list of everything that needs to be done for the project, and the product owner works closely with stakeholders to ensure the backlog refines the project priorities and goals. Now, the product owner does not necessarily have to write the list of tasks to be done, but is so responsible for what is in the product backlog. He could assign it to someone else in the team, but it ensures that it covers all that needs to be done. The third step to take while developing your team is to plan your sprint. Now, what is sprint? A sprint is usually a meeting where the team selects items from the product backlog to work on during the next sprint, and the sprint is usually between 2 to 4 weeks long. They break down these tasks into smaller tasks and create a plan for how they will complete it. It's that simple. Step 4 is to execute the sprint and hold daily stand-ups. Now, following the plan in place, the team starts the sprint. During the sprint, the team meets every day for a short, focused meeting called the Daily Scrum or stand-up, as it's were, which is for 15 minutes. This is where each team member shares what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and any obstacles they are facing. Step 5. You also want to review and reflect. So at the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review to showcase the work they've completed and to gather feedbacks. And this is followed by a sprint retrospective, where the team reflects on what went well during the sprint, what didn't go well, and how they can improve in the next sprint. And for the time box, the sprint review should take 2 hours for a 2-week sprint and usually 4 hours for a 1-month sprint. And definitely it's a cycle. You repeat the process. After the review and retrospective, the circle begins again, and the team picks the next item from the product backlog for the next sprint, and the process continues. With each sprint, the team delivers a potentially shippable product increment, steadily progressing towards the final goal. And that's how you use Scrum. Remember, Scrum is all about teamwork, transparency, and incremental progress. In short, Scrum is a powerful tool for managing projects in a dynamic and ever-changing environment. It's versatile in nature, it's user-friendly, and can be adopted by anyone looking to boost their team productivity and success. Thanks for staying glued. I hope you've been able to learn what Scrum is, what it's used for, and how you can use it. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick Agile insight. See you in the next. Cheers.